With this video microscope, we can look inside the connectors to see just exactly what we're talking about when a connector is loose. Here we've got two examples. The top example is a connection that would be loose, but we can see no continuity here between the post and the nut. We're down here, we've got a connection that's also loose, but we have contact right here. I can zoom in and show you that a little bit more closely. Here we've got contact right here. So the post, which is connected to the braid, is connected to the nut. And if we pan down now, here's a nut which is floating in the post and has no contact. This is the mode where we have the gross failure.